Hey everyone! Welcome back to Food Delights. Today, we're exploring a delicious and powerful spice, cinnamon. Not only is cinnamon a fantastic addition to many dishes, but it also boasts some incredible health benefits. Stick around as we uncover the top 10 health benefits of cinnamon. Let's get started. First, let's talk a bit about what makes cinnamon so special. There are two main types of cinnamon: Ceylon, also known as true cinnamon, and cassia, which is more common in supermarkets. Both types have unique health benefits, so let's dive in. Benefit number 1. Rich in nutrients. Cinnamon is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to its health benefits. Let's break them down. Calcium. Vital for bone health, calcium helps maintain strong bones and teeth and plays a role in muscle function and nerve signaling. Iron. Essential for blood production, iron helps in the formation of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Magnesium. Important for many processes in the body, including muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and bone health. Vitamin K. Plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Fiber. Helps regulate the body's use of sugars, helping to keep hunger and blood sugar in check. Number 2. Powerful antioxidants. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants, such as polyphenols. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This protection is crucial for reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Benefit number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon has potent anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for numerous diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Number 4. Improves oral health. Cinnamon has natural antibacterial properties that can help fight bacteria in the mouth, reducing bad breath and preventing tooth decay and gum disease. Try chewing on a cinnamon stick for fresh breath. Benefit number 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cinnamon can improve sensitivity to insulin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes and can help prevent complications like neuropathy, kidney damage, and cardiovascular issues. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from Food Delights. Now, let's get back to the benefits of cinnamon. Number 6. Promotes healthy skin. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamon help improve blood flow to the skin, giving you a healthy glow. It can also help treat acne by drying out the skin and bringing blood and oxygen to the surface. Benefit number 7. Boosts immune system. Cinnamon has antimicrobial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which help boost your immune system and protect against illnesses like the common cold, flu, and other infections. Number 8. Improves brain function. Cinnamon has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory. It may also help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by inhibiting the buildup of tau proteins in the brain, which is a hallmark of these diseases. Benefit number 9. Supports heart health. Cinnamon can help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while maintaining stable levels of HDL cholesterol. This helps reduce the risk of heart disease. The anti-inflammatory properties also play a role in preventing heart-related conditions by reducing arterial inflammation. Benefit number 10. Aids in weight loss. Cinnamon can help reduce appetite and cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Its ability to regulate blood sugar levels also prevents spikes and crashes that can lead to overeating. So, how much cinnamon should you consume? The recommended daily intake can vary based on age, weight, and gender. It's important to note that while cinnamon is beneficial, too much can cause adverse effects, particularly with cassia cinnamon, which contains higher levels of coumarin. Always consult with a healthcare provider if you're unsure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Delights for more health tips. Leave a comment below and let me know how you like to use cinnamon. Stay healthy and happy, everyone.